In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the perpendicular geometric constraint in Autodesk Inventor. Now, the perpendicular constraint just makes two line segments perpendicular to one another. And what perpendicular means is that they are at 90 degrees to one another, or they make a right angle with one another. So here on the left, you can see I've got myself a little horizontal line here, and then just some randomly angled line right here. And I want this line to be perpendicular to this one. So I'm going to activate my perpendicular constraint. It's the little upside down T symbol by left clicking on it. And all we do is click the two lines, and it does not matter which order you click the lines in. So once I click the two lines, you'll notice it straightened up that angle one, so it's perfectly vertical now, and they are perpendicular to one another, which the little symbol here shows you. So let's do that again. Here I have a rectangle, or what's pretending to be a rectangle. My top line has a horizontal constraint on it, but the other three lines do not. They are at random angles. And I want to make this a true rectangle with 90-degree corners. So I'm going to start by clicking on this top line and saying I want this line and this right-hand line here to be perpendicular to one another. So when I click on it, you'll notice it straightens out that right-hand line here. So now we have a 90-degree corner. Let's do that again. So I'm going to click this line here, click the bottom line, and again it straightens out that bottom line and we get the perpendicular constraint symbol popping up. And one more time here between the bottom line and the left line, it straightens that up, and now we have a perfect rectangle with 90-degree corners, and we can check that. So if I was to use my dimension button, I could dimension between these two lines, and you can see that it pops up and it says they are 90.00000 degrees. So that's how we use the perpendicular constraint in Autodesk Inventor.